Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this cloud effect in UE5 Niagara. Actually, I have a previous tutorial in back 2019. I created cloud in UE4 Niagara, but someone commented on that video that lots of things change in UE5. So please create that in new version of Niagara. So I created this. So in this my video, cloud in UE4 Niagara 2019. One of my subscriber I think commented here that this is an old tutorial and lots of things are changed in UE5. So let's make a new tutorial with new settings. So I'll do that definitely in UE5, but this was very simple. So if you see what I'm doing here, I have just a velocity with that smoke texture. So you can do that in UE5, but yeah, let's create a quick tutorial on that. It will be very short, but I'll create that. So let's start this. So I have created a new project with third person template and a starter content. So if I play, there will be a third person. So I want to use that smoke here. So I have why I use that starter content because it has that material. So you can also